Summer means sunshine, barbecues, and, unfortunately, bugs invading your home. From ants in the kitchen to mosquitoes in the backyard, pests are relentless freeloaders. But you don't need to call the pros for every invasion. With the right strategy and products, you can keep your home bug-free. Today, we're counting down 15 expert-approved, DIY-friendly solutions to make your home a fortress against pests. Let's get started. Coming in at number 15 on our list of effective ant control solutions is TERRO Liquid Ant Killer. This product has earned its place as a household staple for dealing with pesky ant infestations. We're going to delve into why this particular ant killer has remained a popular choice for homeowners seeking to reclaim their living spaces from these tiny invaders. It's a classic for a reason, or rather, several reasons. Its enduring popularity speaks volumes about its effectiveness and ease of use. Many have found it to be a reliable and consistent performer in the battle against ants. Ants are naturally drawn to the sweet bait that TERRO provides. It's like an irresistible treat for them, a sugary temptation they can't resist. They quickly discover the bait stations and begin to feast. But here's the catch. This sweet treat is laced with slow-acting borax. This is the secret weapon that makes TERRO so effective. The borax doesn't kill the ants immediately. Instead, the worker ants, thinking they've found a treasure trove of food, carry it back to the colony, unknowingly transporting their own demise. They are essentially acting as unwitting Trojan horses. Once back in the nest, they share the tainted bait with the queen, the larvae, and their fellow nestmates. This ensures that the poison spreads throughout the entire colony, reaching even the most hidden members. To use TERRO effectively, simply place the bait stations near ant trails or areas where you've noticed ant activity. Then, let the slow but sure process work its magic. Don't be alarmed if you see more ants at first, swarming around the bait stations. This is a normal part of the process, as they are attracted to the sweet bait. In fact, that's a good sign that the ants are taking the bait and carrying it back to their colony. It means the TERRO is doing its job. Over the course of a few days, as the borax takes effect, the colony will begin to collapse from within. You'll notice a significant reduction in ant activity, and eventually the entire colony will be eliminated. One of the best things about TERRO is that it's a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Once you've placed the bait stations, you can simply let them do their work without any further intervention. TERRO doesn't just kill the ants you see, it targets the source of the problem, the entire colony. This comprehensive approach ensures long-lasting relief from ant infestations, addressing the root cause rather than just the surface symptoms. If you're looking for total colony elimination and a reliable way to get rid of ants, TERRO Liquid Ant Killer is a must-have in your pest control arsenal. It's a tried-and-true solution that delivers effective results. Number 14 is Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer. Spray it around your home's foundation, windows, and doors to create an invisible barrier. Bugs that cross it don't stand a chance. The battery-powered wand makes application quick and easy, indoors or out. For proactive, long-lasting protection, this is your go-to perimeter defense. At 13, I discovered something truly remarkable about the power of peppermint. It wasn't just for candy canes and soothing teas, it held a secret weapon against unwanted guests in our home. Mighty Mint Natural Peppermint Oil Spray. This isn't your average air freshener. It's a carefully crafted formula designed to harness the potent properties of peppermint oil. It is perfect for chemical-free pest control. Forget harsh chemicals and questionable ingredients. This is a natural solution that aligns with a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Peppermint oil overwhelms ants and spiders' senses, creating an environment they simply can't tolerate. It disrupts their ability to navigate and communicate, erasing their pheromone trails and repelling them. It's like hitting the reset button on their tiny GPS systems, leaving them disoriented and eager to find a new place to call home. Use it as a contact killer for immediate results. A direct spray delivers a concentrated dose of peppermint power, effectively eliminating pests on the spot. Or spray along baseboards and entry points to create a minty barrier. Think of it as an invisible shield, guarding your home against unwanted intruders. Focus on cracks, crevices, and other potential access points. Safe for kids and pets, you can use it without worry. Knowing that your loved ones won't be exposed to harmful chemicals is a huge relief. It leaves your home smelling fresh, transforming your living space into a minty oasis. Say goodbye to that chemical smell often associated with traditional pest control methods. Sometimes, a blast of mint is all it takes to send bugs packing. It's a simple yet surprisingly effective solution that can make a big difference in maintaining a pest-free home. A natural, effective alternative for peace of mind. Embrace the power of peppermint and enjoy a home that's both pest-free and refreshingly fragrant. Number 12 is Combat Ant Killing Gel Precision Pest Control. The syringe lets you apply bait deep into cracks behind appliances or anywhere ants hide. Ants eat the gel and carry it back to the nest, wiping out the colony at its source. It's perfect for hard-to-reach infestations and sugar ants. A few well-placed dots can eliminate thousands. For targeted, powerful results, this gel is unbeatable. Alright, let's shift our focus to those unwelcome house guests, rodents, specifically mice. These little critters can cause big problems from chewing through wires to contaminating food. Nobody wants them around. Number 11 on our list is Archetype brand's Peppermint Oil Dice for Mice. These little dice pack a powerful punch when it comes to repelling rodents. Mice absolutely hate the strong, overwhelming scent of peppermint. It disrupts their senses and makes them want to turn tail and run the other way. It's like a natural force field against their tiny noses. The best part is how easy they are to use. Simply place these dice in strategic locations, like inside your kitchen cabinets, where food is often stored. Don't forget about your pantries. These are prime real estate for mice looking for a snack. A few dice in the pantry can make a big difference. And if you have an attic, that's another key area to protect. Attics are often dark, quiet, and undisturbed, making them ideal nesting grounds for rodents. By placing these peppermint oil dice strategically, you're essentially creating a scent barrier that mice won't want to cross. It's like an invisible shield protecting your home. Now, it's important to remember that this is a repellent, not a cure for existing infestations. If you already have a full-blown mouse problem, you'll need to take more aggressive measures. The first step is always to seal up any potential entry points. Mice can squeeze through incredibly small cracks and holes, so be thorough. Use steel wool and caulk to block their access. Once you've sealed everything up, then you can use the peppermint oil dice to help keep mice from coming back and prevent future infestations. It's all about creating a multi-layered defense. One of the best things about these dice is that they're non-toxic and chemical-free, making them a safe option for homes with children and pets. While not a standalone solution, it's a great supplement to exclusion methods, adding an extra layer of protection to your home. So, take the steps necessary to make your home uninviting to rodents, and do it naturally with the help of peppermint oil. Consider it a simple yet effective layer in your overall rodent defense strategy, helping you maintain a pest-free and healthy home. Number 10 is LULUCATCH Super Glue Traps for Mice. Place these sticky traps along walls where you've seen mouse activity. Mice run onto the trap and get stuck, simple and effective. Use them in high-traffic areas like behind appliances or in the garage. Check traps frequently and keep them away from pets. They're a powerful tool for quickly reducing mouse numbers. Use responsibly as part of a larger pest control plan. Number 9 is the Haycone Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Plug it in, and it emits high-frequency sound waves that irritate pests but are silent to humans. Use one per room for best results. Sound doesn't travel through walls. No chemicals, no mess, just a less inviting environment for bugs and rodents. Effectiveness varies, but many users see fewer pests. It's a low-maintenance, chemical-free addition to your pest control arsenal. Not a magic bullet, but a useful deterrent. Number 8 is the Blinc Humane Mouse Trap. Bait it with peanut butter, catch the mouse alive, and release it far from your home. Transparent, reusable, and stress-free for both you and the mouse. No mess, no harm, just a kind way to handle occasional mouse visitors. Perfect for those who want effective, guilt-free pest control. Humane, simple, and reliable. Number 7 is the My Critter Catcher. A must for arachnophobes. Its long handle and soft bristles let you grab spiders and bugs from a safe distance. Trap them gently, carry them outside, and release. No squishing required. Great for high corners and hard-to-reach spots. Turns panic into a calm, controlled process. The best way to coexist with spiders, outside. Number 6 is Grandpa Gus's natural spider repellent pouches. Filled with peppermint and lemongrass oils, these pouches overwhelm spiders' senses. Toss them in basements, closets, or garages for months of protection. No spraying, no mess. Just a fresh-smelling, chemical-free deterrent. A simple, long-lasting way to keep spiders out. Number 5 is the Harris Spider Killer and Traps Value Pack. Spray kills on contact and leaves a residual barrier. Sticky traps catch stragglers in low-traffic areas. Use both for a comprehensive two-pronged attack. Odorless, non-staining, and safe for indoor use. Clear out existing spiders and prevent new ones from moving in. For serious spider problems, this combo is your answer. Number 4 is Syngenta Advion Gel Cockroach Bait Pro Level Power. The gel attracts roaches, who eat it and bring the poison back to the nest. The cascade effect wipes out entire populations, even hidden ones. Apply tiny dots in cracks, under sinks, and behind appliances. No scattering, no resistance, just total elimination. Skip the sprays and go straight for the pro-grade solution. This gel is a game changer for roach infestations. Number 3 is Diatomaceous Earth Ancient Natural Pest Control. The powder's microscopic sharp edges cut through insect shells, dehydrating them. Safe for kids and pets, it's a slow but effective killer for ants, roaches, and more. Dust it into cracks, crevices, and along baseboards for a long-lasting barrier. Harness the power of fossils to protect your home. Number 2 is the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. Blue and UV light lure flies and gnats to a hidden sticky board. No zapping, no chemicals. Looks like a nightlight and blends into any room. Replace the cartridge when full. No mess, no fuss. Perfect for kitchens near fruit bowls or houseplants. A silent, continuous way to clear the air of flying pests. Our top pick is the Thermacell Mosquito Repellent Lantern. It creates a 15-foot dome of protection using a repellent vapor. No sprays, no smoke. Just insert the cartridge, turn it on, and enjoy mosquito-free evenings. The lantern adds ambient light, making it perfect for patios or campsites. No mess, no odor, and proven effectiveness. Take back your backyard and enjoy summer nights again. Thermacell is the ultimate outdoor pest solution. There you have it, 15 top products to win the war against pests. Remember, a clean home is your best defense, and these tools handle what sneaks through. Whether you want natural, humane, or pro-grade solutions, you're covered. Share your favorite pest control tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert guides. Here's to a bug-free home